as if one big ass project wasn't enough. I got another one for you. So this is the world's first 3D printed body kit. This is only one piece. So the Street Hunter kit is 14 pieces. This is one of 14. This would be the right-hand side rear quarter panel bumper piece. Does that make sense?
Yes.
So this is the angle we're looking at. You'd have like all the tire hanging.
It would kind of connect with the over fender on the quarter
right,
panel.
Right. So like here, come over here. If you were to put it on a car for more visual purpose, it'd be like this portion of the car.
Ah, okay.
So then we have another piece that will be connecting from here and continuing, but that's what this is.
Okay.
So I'm here because Oscar is going to be doing some R&D for us. We have to get this kit like ready for paint as soon as possible. We have less than 3 weeks now till SEMA. So if you guys listen, it's very...
The camera can catch that. It's like picture a Ruffles chip.
Yeah.
That's what it is.
But super, super fine. And it's made out of a polymer. So it's not fiberglass. So essentially, I'm dropping this off before the rest of the kit gets here, because I stole this from the 3D printing guys. I'm like, I need something to go off of here because I knew I needed to get this in Oscar's hands as soon as possible to start primering it and then sanding away, then primering it and sanding away, because we need to get this surface to be, you know, as smooth as a car. So yeah, Oscar is going to be doing some R&D and figuring out what is the best method to sand it, because when he finds that information out, our team of like 5 or 6 guys will then replicate exactly what you find out is best, and we'll start getting the rest of the kit ready so we can kind of expedite this process. So I'm gonna leave this with you. Good luck, have fun. I hope it isn't as gnarly as I fear it will be.
It looks a little gnarly, man, but
it's not what I want to hear. That is not what I want to hear.
When you told me it's gonna be 3D printed, I was like, damn, this is gonna come out. It's gonna be fucking perfect. Excuse my language. It's gonna be perfect. We're just gonna go ahead and get the thing ready. But I guess, I mean, that's just life, right? I mean, it's just, that's how it's supposed to be.
It's the world's first. So this is where technology is, and it's what we got. I mean, I saw like they had like a life-size Iron Man printed at the thing, and they had it in 3 stages. They had that raw, and they had it like primered and sanded, and they had like a finished piece. And the primer and sanded to the completely raw one, like there wasn't that. They said it only took like 1 or 2 coats to get it. They said it wasn't that gnarly. So hopefully we don't have any crazy edges on this. It should be straightforward, I think. Like I said, you'll let us know. But yeah, I appreciate it. You're like we wouldn't be able to do this without you guys. So SOS is coming in so huge, like, and you guys were literally on the way home. I gave you a call like 30 minutes ago. I'm like, can we stop by? I have a little present for you. So thank you so much.
All right, man. Well, we'll see you. I guess we'll see you in a day or 2.
Yeah, a few days. A few days. Maybe tomorrow.
Maybe tomorrow.
We'll see.
All right, man. All right, guys. So TJ just dropped off the first piece of the Street Hunter kit. It is 3D printed. It's gonna be my first time actually working with something like this. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna go ahead and take some 80 grit DA and start sanding this thing down, and let's see if we get a coat of primer on this thing today. Alright, I just took it down a little bit right now, and I could already see it kind of starting to flatten out, so I think it should be pretty easy considering I just barely hit this with some 80 and it's already kind of leveling out. So what I'm gonna do, so I don't, you know, eat away too much of the materials, I'm just gonna hit everything real quick with some 80 and finish it off with some 150 and then put a coat of primer on it. So Alright guys, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually spray this down with a wax and grease remover. Then I'm going to go ahead and wipe this down. Just one away. One away. We'll let that dry off for a minute. U-Paul Grip Universal Adhesive Promoter. We'll go ahead and shake this up for at least a minute and then spray this down. Let it dry for about 10 to 15 minutes. And then we're gonna go ahead and get ready to spray a primer application.
Perfect.
Alright guys, we're all set up. We're gonna go ahead and put a couple coats on. Alright guys, it's primered. As you can see, most of the texture all came out. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put a guide coat on there and start sanding. Alright guys, so TJ hit me up saying that they really need the parts because they got to start doing the test fitment. We didn't get a chance to finish all the parts. We've only finished one actual part, which is the one that I started on initially. The rest of them, I hit them up with some 80 and got Coda primer on there. So they're gonna pick them up right now and then do the fitment. We'll get them back here and we'll start prepping them out. Do a little bit of body work and get them ready for paint. So let's take a look at them, what they look like now. So these are how the pieces look like now. You can see they're pretty rough compared to the one that we have done, which is this one. But they need them to install, so we're gonna go ahead and take them right now. So TJ just gave me a call. He wanted me to come down and check out the kit. You saw they picked it up the other day, and they said they pretty much got everything installed. They're just waiting for a couple more things to get printed. So I'm gonna head down there right now, check out what they got going on, and see what we have to do to get this thing ready. Because we're going on pretty much the last week of October now, and there's still no paint on this kit. They still gotta put it back together. They still gotta get the wheels together. I mean, there's still got a lot to do within a week's time. So I'm gonna head down there right now. I'm gonna go check this thing out. So excited. Here we are, hunt quarters.
The thing is, SOS did such a good job on the Ferrari. I was like, that ain't even hard enough though. That wasn't enough. So we decided to just make things more inconvenient for SOS and really want to push them to the limits.
Forget a full color change GT3 kit on a Ferrari. Just forget that. Forget that.
That's old news.
Old news.
We have a
what do we have here?
half of a Street Hunter kit. So you guys, I don't know, have they seen the spraying? You guys have already done it?
I'm sure they will.
So by the time you're watching this, you probably have seen it. Got these pieces back from them, mounted them to the car. The thing is the things that we printed aren't 100%. They're like 80, 85%. They work on the car, but we had to, in the past couple of days, we've had like a 4-man team, trim all the pieces, get them to actually like fit towards the car, and now we need to do some like filling and taking away to make sure everything is like 100% flush. Like as you can see, that ain't gonna fly. So we're getting the car pretty much all fitted with the kit, and then it's gonna be up to SOS to give it that 100% final touch, go over every area of the car. This is going straight to SEMA once it leaves SOS, so like everything has to be like money. SEMA,
no pressure.
Yeah, no pressure, no pressure. SEMA is gonna be the most like ridiculing place ever to be debuting a car. So like details really matter here. And that's where SOS is gonna come in, do a 100% solid. They're gonna be going over not just a couple different fenders. They're going to be going over front to back. And all this stuff is prototyped. None of it is like fiberglass. It's all like 3D printed weird material. So there's a lot to be done. And we were just talking off camera. SOS is going to be seriously bending over backwards and putting in some serious heat on this car. And we couldn't be more thankful with this. Literally, there's no other shop that I think would ever do this. Especially after doing the 4 or 5 days. So SOS is like literally has our back so hard, and we're so stoked to be working with them. And it works. Everything works out so well. And I know you guys are gonna kill it. Oscar's really nervous, and off camera, he's in his head is like, "Dog, this is like too much stuff." But I know they got it. I'm gonna help where I can. I'm of no use when it comes to like doing like body filler and stuff. But I said, hey, if there's bitch work, you let me know where I need to pick it up. So
picking up my dry cleaning.
Whatever you need, baby. You need
dry
some
cleaning,
dishes. Like you spend too much time at the shop. You need
my dog needs to get his nails trimmed.
Yeah, you do take the kids out for lunch.
Yeah.
Like I'm here. So yeah, it looks rough right now, and we know that.
Very rough. So you said it was how many pieces total? Because that wing's actually 3 pieces.
1, 2, 3. We printed the side skirt in 3 pieces, but it's gonna be 1 piece. Don't trip. Don't trip. They're gluing it. They're 3D printing, gluing it. They printed it in 3 pieces to make it print faster. But the side skirt's 1 piece. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Replicate that on the other side. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Oh, it is 16.
16
okay.
Pieces. So it's a lot, but.
Got this.
You got it.
We got it.
You got it. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Yeah, I don't know. The biggest thing is we want to make sure that when we air out, we talk.
Yeah.
So, like, that's like our biggest thing. And that's where Adrian will be like, oh, if you run a 275, you'll like
be right there.
tuck tired, and like if you do like a 265, you'll tuck the wheel. So
I'm not too worried about that, but you will be around.
Trying to tuck like Caitlyn Jenner.
Oh my God.
Holy fuck. Alright guys, the Supra is finally here. We got a lot of work ahead of us the next couple days. We gotta get the kit back on. We gotta get it fitting right, body work it, get it prepped out, and get it painted. All within a very short time span to get this car back to TJ so he can do whatever he needs to do to get it ready for his debut at SEMA. So we do have a lot of work cut out for us, but I'm very confident in my team, man. We've been here before. This isn't our first rodeo. We've been to SEMA plenty of times. Anyways, guys, I really appreciate you guys checking out this video. Go ahead and please subscribe, hit that like button, and share. Do whatever you gotta do. Follow us on Instagram at SOS_Customz. And one more thing, we are giving away 1 free ticket to SEMA. All you gotta do is just read the description below and follow the directions. That's all you gotta do, and you can win 1 free ticket. We will not be providing airfare or traveling expenses. We're just gonna give you a ticket. That's all we're doing. So if you think you want to go ahead and follow the directions, and we will be announcing the winner on Monday. So that's it for today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and let TJ finish this segment off.
So this is where we're gonna wrap up this video. Oscar doesn't have a saying yet. I'm not gonna say my saying for your video. You guys, people watching, which you guys have been like so awesome on the support with SOS's channel. We see it, like the videos that have the GT3 kit and the Supra and stuff. You guys are loving it, so that's awesome. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up button. It helps out channels way more than you know. Hit that subscribe button. That helps way more than you know. And comment down below what should be SOS's phrase when they end videos, because everyone has one. You just gotta come up with it, Oscar. So I'll leave it up to you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Hopefully this gets done in time. See you guys at SEMA.